Welcome. This is the Chapter 3/4 test review solution. This video is going to be covering numbers 45 through 48. 45 through 48 gives us the directions of write an equation of the line that passes through the given point and has the given slope. What we are given here is 1 point and 1 slope. The equation that we're going to end up using has it in its name, point and slope. We're going to probably use the point slope equation. Alright, let's start this off by labeling our points. X1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1, and m, which is the slope, is equal to 2. Okay, now I write my equation, which is the point slope form. Make the substitution, which becomes y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. What you distribute 2 times x is 2x, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Plus 1 to both sides, and you should get y equals to 2x minus 3. This is now in slope-intercept form because it looks like y equals mx plus b. Here the slope is 2, the y-intercept is negative 3. There you go. Let's go to the next one. 46. We have the point 3 comma 5 and the slope of negative 1. I label my points first of all. X1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 5, m is equal to negative 1. My slope is equal to negative 1. I write the point slope equation because we have 1 point and 1 slope. X1 here, y1 is 5, m is the slope, which is negative 1, and x1 is 3. Now I do the distributive property. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times negative 3, which is going to be positive 3. Okay? Add 5 to both sides. You should get, that's an 8. Negative 1x plus 8. Be very careful. Okay? Negative 1 here times negative 3, which is going to be a positive 3. Okay? Negative times a negative is a positive. Once you add 5 to both sides, you should get y is equal to negative 1x plus 8. Remember, this is going to be the same thing as negative x plus 8, okay? Alright, there you go. Here's 47. 47 is 7 comma negative 4. The m is equal to negative 6. I label my points. X1 is equal to 7, y1 is equal to negative 4, m is equal to negative 6. What you need to do is write the slope point equation. Make the substitution y minus negative 4. Negative 4 is what y1 is equal to. M is equal to negative 6. X1 here is 7. Make that substitution. You see how there's some negatives here? Let's just simplify. Minus a negative is the same thing as adding. So the y minus negative 4 here, right here, is reduced to just y plus 4. I distribute negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 7, which is positive 42. I have to add 4 to both sides. I have to subtract 4 to both sides. I should get y is equal to negative 6x plus 38. Here the slope is negative 6 and the y-intercept here is 38. Okay, there you go. And last one, it's 48. 48 gives us the point negative 8 comma negative 2 with the slope of m equals to 5. Let me label my points first. X1 is equal to negative 8, y1 is equal to negative 2, and m equals to 5. I see that I have a point and a slope, so I'm going to end up using this point slope equation. Point slope equation is y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. I make the substitution. Negative 2 goes in for y1. M is 5 and x1 is equal to negative 8. I see some negatives here. Negative minus a negative. Subtract a negative here, right? Let's make our lives easier. Y subtract a negative 2 is the same thing as y plus 2. 5 minus negative 8 is the same thing, x minus negative 8 is the same thing as x plus 8, right? Once I simplify it, I can distribute right? 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract 2 to both sides, you should get y equals to 5x plus 38. There you go. That is the solution for 45 through